Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today's topic is the physical chemistry topic, that is chemical kinetics. We all know chemical kinetics is the most important topic of the physical chemistry as well as JEE NEET, SET, NET exam. It is most important topic and easy one topic also. So first we see what is meant by chemical kinetics. First, definition of chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics, it is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with study of velocity or rate of chemical reaction. So chemical kinetics is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with study of velocity or rate of chemical reaction. So we see there are 4 points which are important in this. First is the reactants are transferred to product. Reactants are transferred to product. Then next one, almost all chemical reaction takes place under set of condition. You know that reactants are transferred into product when there we apply some conditions like temperature T, pressure P, concentration of reactant substance, that is C, pressure, presence of catalyst and presence of catalyst. We all know what is meant by catalyst. Catalyst is the substrate which do not take part in the reactions but increase or decrease the rate of reaction so the product can be formed. Such type of compound is called as catalyst. There are so many catalysts which can be increase the rate of reactions. The catalyst which increase rate of reaction is called as positive catalyst, and the catalyst which decrease the rate of reaction, such catalysts are called as negative catalyst. Next is the third point, an increase in temperature will increase rate of reactions. That means when we increase the temperature of reaction, then also increase rate of reactions. That means the simple, that is reaction A, is converted into that is A plus B is converted into C. Here these are substrate and C is the product. This can be possible only when we can apply the condition here like temperature, pressure, concentration of reacting substance and presence of catalyst. So overall the chemical kinetics is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of velocity or rate of chemical reactions. So here kinetics is the rate of reactions. Next one is the rate of reaction. Here we see definition of rate of reaction. The rate at which the concentration of reactant substance varies with the time. That means rate is the concentration of reacting substance vary with time is called as rate of reactions, or simply change in concentration with time is called rate of reaction, or simply change in concentration with time is called as rate of reaction. If we suppose C is concentration, then T is time, then the change in concentration with time is denoted as minus dC upon dt. This quantity is called as rate of reaction. dC upon dt is called as rate of reaction. This is called as rate of reaction, which means change in concentration with time is called as rate of reaction, or it is the quantity of given substance which undergoes change in unit time, that is dC minus dC upon dt. Minus sign is shown because of there is change in concentration with respect to temperature. Such type of term is called as rate of reaction, and rate of reaction is the change in concentration with time, which is called as rate of reactions. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on chemistries for the competitive exam like NET, SET, JEE, NEET exams. Thank you for watching.